The disassembly of the negative pressure integrated machine mold is divided into two steps. 1. Disassemble the forming mold. 2. Disassemble the cutting die. The first step is to remove the forming mold. Remove and fix the formed upper mold. Remove the molding upper mold. Remove sealing paper. Forming mold lower mold. There are two buttons on the side. Press the button on the left until the mold can be removed.
Okay.
Remove the mold. Step 2. Remove the upper mold of the cutting die. Transport the forklift to the designated location. Insert 2 pins in total. Fix the rotating cylinder button and touch it on. Mobile cutting upper mold. Gently sliding in. The lower mold is the same as the upper mold. Release cylinder.
当心手啊！